Because you see, this one, we need this one new. This one here. This one here. Last time here broken, you know. And then I fixed it, but it's still leaking. We need new. Boss, this one here broken. You see? From this side here. Last time I removed it last 2 weeks. Broken, I tried to repair. You know, here. You see this one here? This from here, broken. You see it here? Here broken. Have O-ring here. Last time I repaired, but still now leaking. Now I will try and repair it again so that you will bring this one new for me. I will send you the details of this engine. This generator 150 kV. This one here broken. Like this. This one coming here like this. Like this kind. Like this. See, broken. After coming here like this. This generator. 150 kV generator. Yeah. This one, putty. After this one, cement, putty. First super glue, inside putty. After cement, putty. Now it's very hard, you know. Make groove. Good groove making. After put O-ring. No problem. See? This is how you repair. Repair like this, helping. After new one coming. Good, my friend. Which one you selecting? This one?
Big. Yeah, this one.
This one, yeah.
No,
Looks
that's
like original, eh?
yeah.
Okay, give me this one. Double it with this one. Sometimes, you know, you need to create. After double with this one. Put little bit tape so that it will press it very good. Only little, one run or two run, no problem. One run. That's it. So, operation, you know. Jeru the operator. Where is the boat? أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Yeah, خلاص.
This one very good, eh?
Yeah. Yeah.
Where is the studio? You see how we go inside? Boop. You believe this one is good, eh?
Yeah, inshallah.
You're my best friend.
No stop.
How can you start now? No stop. After finish, by then start. Ah, you mean video stop, eh?
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
Stop.
Okay, yeah.
Video stop.